Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best battery recycle container is probably one of the most essential yet overlooked items for any household aiming for a greener footprint, offering a dedicated and safe space to collect used batteries before they are properly recycled, thus preventing harmful chemicals from leaching into our environment and ensuring valuable materials can be reclaimed, making it a small addition to your home that has a significant positive impact on the planet's health and sustainability efforts. Number 5. Battery Tester, Storage, and Recycler. Easily test, store, and recycle your AA, AAA, C, and D batteries with this all-in-one device. Keep your batteries organized and dispose of them responsibly. This device is designed with a multitude of features to enhance your battery management experience. It offers convenience and efficiency in every use. Experience smooth and effortless operation. Its intuitive design ensures that managing your batteries is always a straightforward process. Enjoy top-tier performance that you can rely on. It consistently delivers excellent results, making battery maintenance a breeze. Your device arrives in packaging that is both safe and appropriate. This ensures it reaches you in perfect condition, ready for immediate use. What we like? This container handles a wide range of battery types, ensuring you can recycle AA, AAA, C, and D batteries all in one place. Its seamless functionality makes the process effortless. If you have a variety of battery types to dispose of, this is the perfect all-in-one solution for your home or office. What people say. The container is designed with a secure locking mechanism to prevent unauthorized access and ensure safety. It features multiple compartments for sorting different types of batteries, making recycling more organized. The durable construction allows it to withstand various weather conditions, suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. Number 4. C-Thru 5Q Battery Recycling Tube, Blue. Introducing our compact and transparent recycling tube, designed specifically for small waste-like batteries. Its clear exterior lets you see what's inside, making recycling easier. This tube features a colored funnel and foot, along with clear decals, to guide proper use and boost visibility. It's designed to encourage correct recycling habits. Made from thick, clear polycarbonate, it's built to last. The transparency helps improve waste segregation by allowing contents to be easily seen. Its unique, small footprint makes it perfect for any space, whether on countertops or in busy offices. It fits seamlessly into your environment. With convenient top and bottom handles, and a removable aperture, emptying and maneuvering this bin is a breeze. It's designed for effortless operation. What we like? See exactly how full your recycling tube is with its transparent design. This compact 5-quart model is ideal for countertops and small spaces. If you appreciate knowing when it's time to empty and want a discreet yet functional battery collection bin, this is the one for you. What people say. The container is designed for easy sorting of different battery types. It has a sturdy construction and a secure lid to prevent spills. Number 3. Kit Alkaline Only Battery Container. Introducing the Kit Alkaline Only Battery Container, designed for safe and organized storage of your batteries. Keep your space tidy and your batteries protected. This container offers a 0.6-gallon capacity, providing ample space for a significant number of batteries. It's perfect for households or offices with high battery usage. Constructed to hold up to 10 pounds, it ensures durability and reliability for long-term use. You can trust it to keep your batteries contained. Specifically designed for alkaline batteries, this container helps prevent accidental mixing with other battery types. Ensure proper disposal and storage practices. Its compact size makes it easy to place anywhere, while its simple design ensures convenience for everyday use. Managing your batteries has never been easier. What we like? Specifically designed for alkaline batteries, this container simplifies your recycling efforts. Its compact and lightweight nature makes it easy to place and manage. If you primarily use and dispose of alkaline batteries and need a straightforward, dedicated recycling solution, this container is an excellent choice. What people say. The container is designed with a clear labeling system, making it easy to sort different types of batteries. It features a durable construction that can withstand regular use and holds a significant amount of batteries. The lid securely closes, preventing any accidental spills and keeping the contents contained. Number 2. C-Thru 10Q battery recycling tube, blue. Meet the C-Thru 10Q battery recycling tube, a compact and transparent solution designed for efficient battery collection. Its unique design makes it perfect for small waste deposits. This tube features a colored funnel and foot, along with decals, to enhance visibility and guide proper usage. It's built to encourage correct battery recycling habits. Crafted from thick, clear polycarbonate, its exterior is both hard-wearing and durable. The transparency allows for easy monitoring of contents, promoting better waste segregation. With its small footprint, this recycling tube is uniquely designed for convenience. It fits perfectly on countertops and in office environments, saving valuable space. Equipped with top and bottom handles, along with a removable aperture, emptying and maneuvering this tube is a breeze. It's designed for operator ease and efficiency. What we like? With a 10-quart capacity, this transparent tube is perfect for collecting a larger volume of batteries. Its durable polycarbonate exterior ensures longevity, and the clear design allows for easy monitoring of contents. If you generate a significant amount of battery waste or manage a busy household or office, this larger capacity option is ideal. What people say. The container is designed with a clear label indicating it is for battery recycling, making it easy to identify its purpose. It features separate compartments for different types of batteries, which helps in organizing them before recycling. The sturdy construction ensures durability and can hold a significant amount of used batteries. Number 1. C-Thru 5Q battery recycling bin, red. Introducing a transparent battery disposal container, designed for efficient and visible recycling. Its clear design helps you easily see when it's time to empty. This 5-quart tube is perfect for small waste like batteries. The colored funnel and decals are designed to make recycling easy and encourage correct usage. Made from thick, clear polycarbonate, it's built to last. The durable exterior allows you to see the contents, promoting better waste segregation. Its unique, small footprint makes it ideal for any space. Place it conveniently on countertops or in offices for easy access. With top and bottom handles, maneuvering is simple. The removable aperture makes emptying and maintenance effortless. What we like? This 5-quart battery recycling tube stands out with its bright red color, making it highly visible. The transparent design and clear decals encourage proper use and easy identification of contents. If you want a recycling bin that is not only functional but also visually prominent and encourages correct disposal habits, this red option is a great pick. What people say. The container is sturdy and well-made, with a good capacity for household batteries. It has a clear labeling system that makes it easy to sort different types of batteries. The lid seals tightly, preventing any leakage or odors. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.